What's up, guys?
More than you know. You were told to leave.
So what are you still doing in town, old man?
I'm here with my family, making memories.
He's making memories, huh?
There's no need for this. This is all a big misunderstanding. I'm here to... Be cool! Come on! Hey! Use your words! I'm paying you for it! Fuck! He's right there!
That's right. My favorite, personally, is the butter brownie.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See